tiny. So they're definitely not reasonable.
Okay.
And then there is another one, which is the foundation plan, where the dimensions, they look different from these.
The
So they're all after this. If you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. These one, for instance, in the model, the footings are not shown. They could be shown because they're part of the model. And then scroll down, scroll down. Here, you see the footings here? They're tiny.
yeah, this one's right here.
Yeah. And
Oh,
then if you scroll down more, that's the framing plan, down, down, down. Oh, here. You see, under the walls, there is no footing, and the footings of the columns are tiny. So this is not consistent with the previous foundation uh, from
yeah.
SAP 2000.
Okay.
And then if you scroll down even more, at one point there is a foundation plan. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, 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 down. Here, here, these ones do not seem like similar to the footings from the foundation plan. So, which is the correct footing system? What is the correct foundation system? Is this one? Is this the one from SAP?
No, the one from SUP is that one that Jacob provided.
Yeah,
Uh,
so that one probably is the one that we're going to be using because that was also implemented in the model.
I mean,
So,
this
but
is
everything must look consistent with that.
okay. Yeah, because this is what Jacob provided, and let's see, this two, this, and Matthew's the one that provided this one. So,
Okay, this one I don't see the beams connecting the footings, so but maybe not necessary. But at least this one seems reasonable, except that the footings of the some columns are too close to the footing on the walls.
okay, so you're talking about this one. Gabby did
This
this.
one I don't know what this is because it looks very different from the other one. I
Okay.
don't see foundation for the walls in this one. I see the walls, but I don't see a foundation for the walls. Is this the actual foundation of the walls?
No, this is for site logistics.
Well, but then still, you
Yeah.
can't show inside logistics something that is not consistent with the other things. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, it's this
So
foundation.
that drawings must be updated.
Okay, I'm gonna tell Gabby. Professor, question. When is this like due? Cause like I feel like I gotta tell people like, oh yeah, I gotta have this. I'm like, uh,
What do you mean?
this is due when today or like when
Oh,
are
the
we
deadline to print the poster is in 1 week from now.
in 1 week? Oh, okay, okay, okay.
The deadline for the poster is 1 week from now. Well, we need to get a good amount of work done by today so we can have like a good review.
Yeah, okay.
So you can't wait last minute, otherwise it's not gonna happen.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna call Gio and ask him like, who's that one that has the right foundations? Like, cause Matthew's the one that provided this, and then Gio and Jacob and Eduardo provided this. And then Gabi is the one that provided the last one. This one over here.
They need to be coordinated.
Yeah, I'm recording. Yeah. Okay. All right, bro. So
Definitely in the Revit there is you see this one, how can the column stand with this tiny footing, right? They're too small. And then the wall they have clean footing,
okay.
which means that
And also
to hold the wall right.
okay.
So for this we need actually to verify what is the foundation system,
Okay. Uh, I'm gonna I'm gonna talk to
right?
you.
And
Yeah.
then try to get things as many things as possible today into the PowerPoint and try to organize it well. And be sure that you use the same font size and font type in all the paragraphs.
Yeah.
Right now, there are different font size and font types.
And also, I noticed you saying something about like distortion with these images on the
Oh
power.
yeah, all of them. These the images, even the pictures